Restoration is brought to you by
Hisense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Yes, extra long sanitary pad for extra comfort.
We got Yes protection.
Tasty Tom new seasoning powder. Flavor and taste.
What a lovely way to begin your week on restoration. And today I'm feeling very bright. And I know that wherever you are, you're also feeling this love of brightness all around you. We're brought to you by Kind Courtesy, Malta Guinness, Tasty Tom, Yas Washing Powder, and Yas Sanitary Pad. Hisense everyday prizes for everyday people. Hoochcon and Chocoflix, La Palm Royal Beach Hotel. To my glam team, ABS Lux Line, thank you very much for my outfit. To Tinach Beauty, thank you for my makeup. To Stars Hair, thank you for styling this beautiful wig extension from Hair Duties. And I have to say that I am really grateful to all of you, our viewers, watching us across the world. But this information is only for my viewers in Ghana. Yes, because it is time for us to show you a lot of love from Tasty Tom. So Tasty Tom has amazing news for you. It's called Jawusika promo. Yes, anytime you buy our 2.2 kg tin, just look inside the lid. Yes, if you look at the lid, you would either find between 5,000 to 10,000 cedis. Whatever amount is written on the lid, my darling, is yours. Just go to any of our distributors and redeem your cash prize, or you can call 055-663-8794, 055-663-8794, and you can redeem your cash prize. So wherever you are, grab yourself your Tasty Tom 2.2 kg tin. Otope na wucha na sikani ya trobo hwa ene ye wodia oni obia ndi nchemu onko aje na kwaje wani what now so your person. And I want you to remember, if you're buying our Tasty Tom and Rich Tomato Mix, you should know that our seasoning is now available on the market. And we have a lot of flavors. This is the chicken flavor. You can get the beef flavor, any flavor you want, so that you can add it to that delicious food you're making at home. Please don't add any other spices that will ruin your good meal. Always ensure that you're sticking with us, Tasty Tom. I'd like to say a very big thank you to Malta Guinness, yes, and Malta Guinness, we move, yes, and we have moved from generations to generations, and we are still the best. So I want all of you to go out there and grab yourself your nutritious Malta Guinness, because it comes rich in vitamins B, and you are sure to be nourished throughout the day. And one beautiful thing about my Malta Guinness is it's proudly made in Ghana. Yes, Eheya near Malta Guinness. So go out there and grab yours. We'll be right back after this break.
Hisense kitchen appliances. Imagine no ayambre. So we breakfast anopa. Ube here Hisense juicer, Hisense toaster. Opesa o mixing. Ube here Hisense blender, hand mixer. Oh no more. Hisense rice cooker. So open your share. Announce your Hisense water dispenser. Any kettle. Where do you need to opesa kanishi? A Hisense microwave. Opesa chia the intentem so dia. Hisense air fryer. Now opesa steamer dia. Any Hisense steamer. Use Hisense vacuum cleaner. Kofronchensi ni musun tempa. Hisense dishwasher. Atadie de betumi ayefe. Hisense iron. Abatnitinin kama. Your gas cooker, electric cooker, and the ceramic hobs. Matiti to say, and you boom. Everything 28th March. I come from 8th April. And your Hisense kitchen appliance promo. Hisense acquired about 5 years manufacturer defect warranty. Hisense. Everyday prices for everyday people.
Tasty Tom tomato mix. Ufa kakra. Na ye bebre. Fa kakra yan kwani stew dodo a ope.
Tasty Tom dear. It will surely give you value for money. Steak a little is enough to get our desired quantity of stew and soup, and it doesn't color your meat or chicken.
Tasty Tom tomato mix into. Me handwriting and sada. Senande dene dia sa net into customers bar never.
I don't compromise on the quality of my food. Use Tasty Tom and Rich Tomato Mix.
Fakakranya pebre.
This advert is FDA approved.
Tasty Tom is giving out cash in the Tasty Tom Juiceika promo. Just check under the lid. When you buy a big can of Tasty Tom tomato mix, you can win from 5 Ghana cedis to 10,000 Ghana cedis cash with over 70,000 cash prizes available. Present your winning lead at any of our distributors' points nationwide to redeem your cash instantly through mobile money or call toll-free line 055 66 38 794 for assistance.
Promo lasts from now to March 2025. Terms and conditions apply. This advert is FDA approved.
Remember the days I just couldn't go to the gym because it was that time of the month? Yas Extra Long Sanitary Pad took the worry away. Easy.
Yes, comfort, I got. Yes, confidence, I got. Yes.
The new Yas Extra Long Sanitary Pad is the joy of every woman. It is extra absorbent and fits perfect. Don't allow anything to hold you back when it's that time.
Wow.
Yes, yes, yes.
Feel confident, stay fresh.
Hi. Is it supposed to be that time of the month? Yes.
I got. Yes, confidence, I got.
Yes.
We got yes protection, I got.
Yas Extra Long Sanitary Pad for extra comfort.
We got yes protection.
Every child is so unique,
You like no other.
outstanding in every way.
It's me like no other.
So anytime you walk and play,
You like no other.
you are special like Indomie.
It's me like no other.
Did you know that every child on the planet has their own unique fingerprint like no other?
You like no other. I can play the drums. I'm talented. It's me like no other. I can sing. I can dance. You like no other.
As well as their own unique talents and abilities.
I can cook. I can paint. You like no other. Indomie. Indomie. It's you like no other.
So every day, in whatever you do, remember you are special in your own way, like no other.
Thank you, Mom, for letting me know I'm special and for making me my special Indomie.
Thank you, Mommy.
Introducing Indomie Beef Flavor. Buy now.
This advert is FDA approved.
Every child is so unique,
You like no other.
outstanding in every way.
It's me like no other.
So anytime you walk and play,
You like no other.
you are special like Indomie.
It's me like no other.
Did you know that every child on the planet has their own unique fingerprint like no other?
You like no other. I can play the drums. I'm talented. It's me like no other. I can sing. I can dance. You like no other.
As well as their own unique talents and abilities.
I can cook. I can paint. You like no other. Indomie. Indomie. It's you like no other.
So every day, in whatever you do, remember you are special in your own way, like no other.
Thank you, Mom, for letting me know I'm special and for making me my special Indomie.
Thank you, Mommy.
Introducing Indomie Beef Flavor. Buy now.
This advert is FDA approved.
Yes, baby.
Honey, men wash your way. Men to take away our back.
He's eating out again. Nancy, me trying tasting kuyi.
Tasty Tom.
Tasty Tom. Add the new seasoning powders about chicken, stew, jollof, shrimp, beef. The way it enhances the natural aroma.
Tasty Tom, dear. I trust them.
And there is no staining of fish, meat, or chicken.
Wait, let me go just sharp. Made me also.
Tasty Tom seasoning powder. Ooh.
New aroma.
Leave this.
New taste from Tasty Tom new seasoning powder.
Maybe
I'm not for anyway.
Tasty Tom new seasoning powder. Flavor and taste are fun. This advert is FDA approved.
Tasty Tom tomato mix. Ofa kakra. Na ye bebre. Fa kakra yan kwan ni stew dodo a ope.
Tasty Tom dear, it will surely give you value for money. Steak and little is enough to get our desired quantity of stew and soup, and it doesn't color your meat or chicken.
Tasty Tom tomato mix inti. Me handwriting and sada. Say na ne dene bia sa na tie. Inti customers ba never.
I don't compromise on the quality of my food. Use Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix.
Kakranya pepe.
This advert is FDA approved.
Tasty Tom is giving out cash in the Tasty Tom Juiceika promo. Just check under the lid. When you buy a big can of Tasty Tom tomato mix, you can win from 5 Ghana cedis to 10,000 Ghana cedis cash with over 70,000
1,000 cash prizes available. Present your winning lead at any of our distributors' points nationwide to redeem your cash instantly through mobile money or call toll-free line 055 66 38 794 for assistance. Promo lasts from now to March 2025. Terms and conditions apply. This advert is FDA approved.
Content creation has become one of the most beautiful things the world over. And once your content is good, you're sure to get the following that will eventually propel and boost your image to that fortune of fame that we all desire. In Ghana, we have had a lot of young ones try out this new trend of becoming famous and making money. And two of my favorites, I've actually hosted one of them, and today is just right that I host the other pair. My two favorite grandmas on TikTok and Instagram. My guest today is Emmanuel Fodjo, popularly known as Eno Fodjo. Hey!
Mame.
It's a saying, ma.
Nami adum.
Now, anyway, Ebenway.
Hey, okay. I think so. Program.
Oh, program.
Yeah.
And into Eben, and a abokuma, and Ima, Eno Fodjo.
And easy.
And yes, you much review.
Yeah, who be ankasa.
And then abokuma, a good one, mercy. Why, ja.
And I'm sure I'm say, be ye a clash when you so.
There be.
Ubia, Udubia Mubi, the personal the to us and answer no for me.
No, for so you witness.
Or there be
so or say there be in your do fear Kella.
Yeah, close
Kella Musicana now orgy. And you do fear Musica.
My coming one time is air cross over Mrs. Sir, and some sauce.
Also, it's now in a Mayan. This comes to a Jan on Quaity.
And then I had no
problem.
You
know what to say.
I don't know.
Yeah, then you may say. Me just a me train woman say, hey, ain't he? Then I'm sorry, yeah. Musiati group. The man profile stress. Debia.
Hey, and easy. Okay, me now me join the Kuma Wood. I think say me did the BH sane and cry for never say Gallywood and
Gallywood.
No most me do much sane you trim the papa. Ponko Jumay, me be camera so a mo tripod. Mamma, easy. To me did one Madame for Bako. And also on this kind of skating or yabaya. Yes, and no introduce me my dickness.
Okay.
So from then you try back me, you know, be one back.
Afa. I pick it.
I then pick it.
And it's a favor, no?
And then say the rooms, also one yet.
That was 1 year.
Maybe, by I know, person, welcome you, boom.
Munya.
Welcome any yet.
Munya.
Yeah, be for only the kind. But maybe the announce if you take a crap from Tiana. With me, Papa Crana, my divertina. One more day.
And son, I will be share a bokuma. Now, I'm about to say.
Okay, maybe a school dear. I'm an more minute in because fried rice a Jumakaka. Before that, I'm a ton Pepsi.
Hey.
Yeah.
Away.
Ever traffic. Now, my mammy, a ton Pepsi in Tino. Your man, I'm a smith be a film.
And your friend alongside.
What I say, because now, easy, sir. Tino, Bema Pepsi, no. Mr. Shemarin Danny Pepsi, na bet is a bono. Na blog, na Fodjo me Timua, and Yansam Ketua. And then to me about shop of crime as a mammy. Me the beer bober no man now, no. I grab me years, so make up a bano on no magic musica. Yeah, it's me free Pepsi, no so. Number year for rice, Juma. I'm a brother be or dance man.
Fried rice, no one and one.
Men watch chenam.
Hey,
yes, sauce be oh,
steady.
Professional chef.
Sir?
Me to me be on say ban anything creativity. You for your dream for when you be dear me to me.
The fried rice is not creativity.
Because yan chere me wan kyerɛ me kɔ na meta akɔ tena ne nkyɛn ti me hwɛ na me se metumi ayɛ yes ti no zo de na me se metumi atwitwa cabbage no na me start muhia na fe ma pick na me de we abɔ na me de we abɔ mu so afa adane fried rice wo de we bo ma ka frɛ ma bon se na kala na sesa me se ade na yi di bi yi
udi yeso na ekoyi
eye ala
ne koyi say no nkofo de be dia
wo na wo be die se me de ma ye to wa ko die ye wasama for you to judge but na ye because as times go on na ego so fa
na nkofo ye di omo sai ba
ntina afa bedu baby cramp no se me ni ho a omo so mo hwehwe bra kokko no because na me sani amesere ne concert ade a woto no jimi ala me jimi a kire wansa na mate aduane na ma no ebeju nsem enye easy so from there no na me disket kan account me create be ye 10 me create ni ya bande me ni age na ye block enye easy minim emfa me de tale na waye sa TikTok enya asem keto mame ti agije me last account na nka me kra na me smenye bio me create bio because me tumi gina kwa me chimi wo lolo kwa mu saa bubu mu na me twa video ma me post na 1 2 there na plan be no
2 views
1 like hey uzo yo ma show hey
what's up bu mu okwan ho
me tumi stop traffic oh
hey
yeah me tumi share bibi na me de balu a hyehye me to won na me gina kwan nim tie ne wa driver no si de twam
obegina
hwe bi timi jimia me so we di viral video mama me post na 2 3 say hey eni di ni o ma na account na wa bra nya kakra wanya followers kakra ne asan age wonsem
I know ye bibi violates community rules na say
I don't know by line say yes you to me report your account ebi to me report
no be na report now followers say
who ye here nto mu so bi o hwe wa ze na credit no yi
dey no chiri
no I report to account no be hu a we da so le for be account no menwura
we dey open so yes how padlock
easy enye small tino my last account na me de be share Dickness no and he has been so good to me me share Dickness no and my account na start to say grow na fe nkofo bisa na hwan so ni boy ba ko no ye hwan a no be frɛ me fojo kan ho comment obi bisa se wo ye hwan ko bo di kire no comment for account na comment no no hu say ye wa
no
kire me yenkwa yenwo ni say yenkwa yenwura ni yedi wura mu sa na eno fojo ne peke and kan sata na me so kin status so I say no be a share matale de kin ni firi he
na go say ni queen status
na me ni chese me hu de me ye me ho
uni branding no ho
na me suro because first na kasa na matale me shakura na ma me say ma blocking no hwe me videos because be ma wo be ma pa na afede as a ma su bi ye wura no so suba be no tino me ya na ma blocking papa so titis obi be hwe ka kire wo
ana so obi e wo so mo
yes ntebu a me corset so kra na ye ka se o ye pese ye man robe be te se oba me se da be me ntwa me kwa ma me be ye me timi ntwa tino e ba za na abokoma se na status idi free hefa odi ankasa de se na me se free me fojo no se ene yi fojo no na pe bi ka ho na fa brand din no na me so okay timi hwehwe ma na enu no se enu bi anye timi hwe me su ne me ban na asa menye na me di enu ne bata afojo no
na ye enu fojo
patches na be afojo enu fojo
abokoma ba ha ono do okase no wo school no ne mpoyie o se o kire na obepi every classroom na ni nyina I evaporate
mama
na wo de ne say
yeah oba me class wo say ya na achim ye wo A B C for ne de chese chese yes a kire mo hey me to me as am so de kwa yes for jo we de nya no wadwen na de choice ha betena se na tro no fofo me to me kwotena teacher stable na ma say choice am se na fofo me friend teacher be ka se for jo we de nya na tro ye how market me say hey Ti say me nim no so no. Nyame aye adom a matumi atwetwe me. Matwetwe me ko ahwe obi de so atro no so ma. Mama, ntinka me ni mentina na me mfeli won. Na me kwa me gaga de nche mama. Ma copy mark mama. Exams. To me try na me try pidgin room. O try pidgin English no. To me family as me say nti boko de usua obi hu ana se bon ana wa bon. Na me de enye school. E ba no choreography na me gina mu bi, cadet na me wurem. Ene ye mfra me kwa na me de me hu hye mu bi. Na say yen kenkan ne yen twro no.
O de yen kan ho.
E teacher ba ko se wo ye made ma ne hye me pa say Albert. Na ya ma break. I think na mo form 1. Ti after break ni mu no na me besia kwa class. No so teacher's table no frame me say Ima check it time na catch me na catch the boy mama na 4 o'clock me ni
say me na work am
o mama do nyame
na e won certain
titi ani bi na say e da 9 no so me hu say da 9 no so na enketenkete na ehihye mfimfini no
no your problem
no your problem ti afi me gina ho sa o say Ima Mr. Say, what are you doing? I'm coming. She said, hey, me tamia sen kubi bi twem kran me hu se obo
digital watch
obi anso twem na me so me gina ho na me hwa ade
akaya
me hwe no so hwe me no afra me se me ba we an say dem le small boy bi twem no say hey check the time for me na kwa ne be gina me nche no ohwe manim no che was say it's 1:15 I say hey look at you you're
less.
Oh, that day na fresh so there me onzo mo ma bonzo mo fresh pa me to me team could do bring me trima na obo say yes boy screen or buy a pa then the matale no so ma to so say yam phone some say be twa today me hu ye teacher na hint o ma me ye twa me santo after closing no fair guy be no eat I was school no ma o ma ni yi me tiri hu nyina sakosakosa asemi we na shi me da fom munum me de me squat ari munum kotire na me de aba
adai
asemi we na shi ma bon dodo me jai school no kran kwatena fie na me onim de me ye wa ha
as who will still be at time
I grow me ni so dodo me hu me fire ban hu se asema ye ma bibiri amo mo bisa no tino e ma me jai school no kran kwatena fie kakra ti ya pa me chewa na msa beto aso ya pa me chointi
when about you
mama osugu me so because na school na me nin kambrofo no mo kam ntumi nka bi na kwa say ni wo ya ba
we the takashia for
ti me tena fia na yesa tutu mpenifo baby mu frɛ ya ko school no wan ko school ntumi mo bra wo ko na me de ko na nyame ya do
into ko ye no o final exam then we o final exam who hear me so as a work no person work humanity say o ko ye no wie na me susu say wo wie ye so a enye ma ho de ni onyansa
nyame ni nkofo bi ada roma exams no na nye easy enkaka ni bi easy no mitumi nketwa mu de no mitumi tworo sana afi me de me pen me bibia to form na Monday no cramp na e be start paper no sana ya chocho ye di kuragu
index number ne within no
menim na me sa tam pencil na ma yire me ho na me shade metia ne metiri ho gau is this boy normal? Are you okay? You shouldn't name say hey I'm okay say me okay and kabete or see can't you see your name has been me say oh mommy me name sorry no
yeah there na ma una fe na wo so
mommy no me ni bra me ho say die misua na no pana me de kotro no me pentama tro kra na say free me tim te sa dia
asama ba
say sa tro bra me hey easy ti session A no e ba session A na me show mo munim ade o class no be nkofo be 5 boama Number 1 near then. Or can't E. Na Letitia so can't E. Na someone so can't E and it's a baby E.
Monitoring spirit.
Conform you can't E. Na baku can't be and I'm conforming as I can be now. You can't. What am I doing by your own TV reach in the Baba session? No, my pass and I'm about to tell you I'm a fin. Cause me then call for drink a come in when I'm here. Strategy, you're moving so much.
It's a collaboration.
We are fast rough. Says she be in to make trouble believe.
So making sure when your point
was reading in our bus session in so. To me make sure pass say what dear. Mammy. A trouser to men try. To be doing soon to many. And as I'm Yawa Bondo. Hey,
we have collaboration as I'm home. Results by net to say
collective of numbers. Make can boom, Anna.
It's results by net to say.
Nayala. I think Seminar. I'm say 22 a year, but men rat 13.
And they be yes specific. BC then why are Jenna 06 to bed 12?
Hey, na class people no cry nya woses na.
The class people nya say.
Class people cry nya woses. Na compound overseer. But I'm charge me nyam first choice.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes, me nyam first choice.
No first choice.
Na nka me fa twene bo akodua. Later when I'm course sign and I'm cofa school bi Central Region Adam Kwamai Senior High. It was a community school. Yes, na me mama last born ewo. On a switch my dream call on am course sign.
And a farmer.
Ne farmer me. So I know mo kromo nim baby am free bant no ombeso mu awa wa too. Yes, this offer to gain till cost of far no begin you or
you could break, you come back, or the whole come on. We'll be right back after this break.
High Sense Kitchen Appliances. Imagine in Wayambre. So we have breakfast anopa. Ube here High Sense juicer, High Sense toaster. Open sa mixing. Ube here High Sense blender, hand mixer. Oh no more. High Sense rice cooker. So open your share. Announce your High Sense water dispenser. Any kettle. Where do you need to open so kanishi? A High Sense microwave. Open so chia the intentum so dear. High Sense air fryer. Now open so steamer dear. Anyway, High Sense steamer. Use High Sense vacuum cleaner. Kofron chensi ni musun tempa. High Sense dishwasher. Atadie dear betumi ayefe. High Sense iron. About snitting in the camera. Your gas cooker, electric cooker, and the ceramic hobs. Matiti to say, boom! Everything 28th March, I come from 8th April, and your High Sense Kitchen Appliance promo! High Sense acquired them 5 years manufacturer defect warranty. High Sense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Tasty Tom tomato mix. Ufa kakra. Na ye bebre. Fa kakra yan kwani stew dodo a ope.
Tasty Tom dear, it will surely give you value for money. Steak and little is enough to get our desired quantity of stew and soup, and it doesn't color your meat or chicken.
Tasty Tom tomato mix into me handwriting and sada. Into customers bar never.
I don't compromise on the quality of my food. Use Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. This advert is FDA approved.
Tasty Tom is giving out cash in the Tasty Tom Juiceika promo. Just check under the lid. When you buy a big can of Tasty Tom tomato mix, you can win from 5 Ghana cedis to 10,000 Ghana cedis cash with over 70,000 cash prizes available. Present your winning lead at any of our distributors' points nationwide to redeem your cash instantly through mobile money or call toll-free line 055 66 38 794 for assistance.
Promo lasts from now to March 2025. Terms and conditions apply. This advert is FDA approved.
Remember the days I just couldn't go to the gym because it was that time of the month? Yas Extra Long Sanitary Pad took the worry away. Easy.
Yes, comfort, I got. Yes, confidence, I got. Yes.
The new Yas Extra Long Sanitary Pad is the joy of every woman. It is extra absorbent and fits perfect. Don't allow anything to hold you back when it's that time.
Wow. Yes.
Feel confident, stay fresh.
Hi. Is it supposed to be that time of the month?
Yes. Yes. confidence. I got
Yes.
we got Yas protection. I got
Yas Extra Long Sanitary Pad for extra comfort.
we got Yas protection.
Hey, my best customers in here. Yes, baby.
Honey, men wash you why me to take away back.
He's eating out again. Nancy, me trying tasting kuyi. Nya kra. Mama ma new fella.
Tasty Tom seasoning powder.
Tasty Tom. Add the new seasoning powders about chicken, stew, jollof, shrimp, beef. Udi aduane anede. A more natural aroma. She shaman kasa. The way it enhances the natural aroma. It no be small.
So what's the new season powder if it Tasty Tom there? I trust them.
And there is no staining of fish, meat, or chicken. Delicious meals all the time. Why do you go just me need those.
Tasty Tom seasoning powder.
New aroma.
New this.
This is a new taste from Tasty Tom new seasoning powder.
Where's that the end?
Maybe I'm not anyway. Tasty Tom new seasoning powder. Flavor and taste are fun. This advert is FDA approved.
Tasty Tom is giving out cash in the Tasty Tom Juiceika promo. Just check under the lid. When you buy a big can of Tasty Tom tomato mix, you can win from 5 Ghana cedis to 10,000 Ghana cedis cash with over 70,000 cash prizes available. Present your winning lead at any of our distributors' points nationwide to redeem your cash instantly through mobile money or call toll-free line 055 66 38794 for assistance.
Promo lasts from now to March 2025. Terms and conditions apply. This advert is FDA approved.
Wait, your tomato mix. Wouldn't so one on pass. Still loud with tomato flavor, no. No color changing like traffic lights. They cocoa, come on.
Tasty Tom dear, it will surely give you value for money. The steak, a little is enough to get our desired quantity of stew and soup.
Taste no so dear. On point. Flavor new.
And it doesn't color your meat or chicken. I don't compromise on the quality of my food. Use Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. This advert is FDA approved.
Welcome back from the break. A very big thank you to our sponsors, Malta Guinness, Tasty Tom Enriched Tomato Mix. A very big thank you to Yas Washing Powder and Yas Sanitary Pad, Hisense, everyday prizes for everyday people, La Palm Royal Beach Hotel. We're saying a big thank you to Teflon Sweets, located in Ahmedjo Kumasi, to my style team, ABS Lux Line, for my outfit, Hair Duties for my hair, Stars Hair for styling this beautiful wig, and of course to Tinaj Beauty for my makeup. So we are back with Emmanuel Fodjo, aka Enu Fodjo. Enu, teachers only about Kuma there. Not.
Unze hum ne clicky. Cause abon from you know amaka bo mo yade. To me say school nyansa ni hu afie nyansa be ye
adwuma.
Nti e keka bo ma na ye de nam.
Abakuma so no onim say not into no. Oye home cons. Also not no ye den.
If you say home cons omo collect ne facial hat for.
Sir, and I say visual as for any be a ben say.
E be because be school na me call say na school prefect no. Or ba no visual hat.
Visual arts o ma ben say.
O ben.
Eno mo kwatete ho pa.
Hey. Nyame nkwa nanim. Amani ame hu.
Na what to say?
Ene ye. Ebeye.
Anye.
Ebon. But so lucky, I think say me call no that was good.
You were better than
I was better than some people.
Hey,
because ne be mo ntebrofo. Ntino me amako school akra ha me maba kura. Because what try me say. Ti ebu anso ade no so na menim dada. Ti boy ma enya ma work abu ho ana metumi kofa book na. Me bie chire bo ma tro kra na me de ko. Say eh.
Akwa anyone there.
Ne ma me class prefect.
Hey. Asamaba.
When I'm from America, I say, hey, mommy.
When your class prefect. Oh, mommy said,
I said,
hey,
I'm not playing me.
Oh, mommy said, and you need.
To me friend, my class, me say, hey, mom, You go school na mumu me no.
Mumma me.
Na mark attendance book
And your friend watch me.
Sure, mumma head nya me be ya me a. Hey, na me nya sa professorship we no. Ahantan kakra.
Ahomaso kakra.
Hey, guy.
Kakra.
Me koto space crash. Me koto space share.
So no any nyoya.
Say as wuni ma dey as wuni ma. Unzo hey. The makwa yem hu school pa. After we drew exams, your first semester exams no. Hey. And you for jo. Who ye dey ni? Who ye dey ni ko fu ni se ma ben amacha se. E wa na mpetu ya le.
Obai hare.
Nti metro be emu no na de aka no betwa wo fie, betro wo fie. Nti no ye bi school ni ekoye no. Na headmaster no so mesaja. Wa print omo
results.
Abo notice board. Nti no wa kogina mu na wo hwe bebia wo din is free bana.
No say
Emfa. Nti no ebo edu exams na me ametumi de bi ye me ho a de katashe ne me hwe wa onima de me sole me hwe me dem ne kan ma bet hamushit me hwe ne say o kasa ne ye nyina pepa kaka eni me nyina be boye ye be sole akupie be onwanwa
what me kwachi obi
sole ne pepa kitui bi
Jennifer ne show
ye chim na onim na unse wo copy esenka ebia ono no de hye na ma wana o de be hye na ma to
o de hye pepepe
na ma me de me ye na arrangement self arrangement me arrange ni nyina anti be wie chi ne be mark afi as a how we tie wusu tie say hey it is me hu ye
we are no so well hu ya
but all the same it was good fire kakra
VSS we be fie and your friend and welcome to the world.
Yes, that's when everything started. Now abrabona shall say ye connaissing. Should I continue with the Pepsi? But yes, to na me fried rice because na me fi school background pa. Na me kwachemo. Me gina ho e moncheri de me ne jeje ho. Ti me chia me kwanopa. Anopa be 6 na mapon amache 12 to 1.
Eh.
Yeah.
Until now that's 4 to 5 hours.
Yes.
Not 6 or cycle.
Na ma pay 1.5.
120 cities.
150 cities.
1.5.
Yes.
Into 150
a month.
For sa hours ni na.
And no cramp no.
Na fried rice na plate back here say.
You tip from 20-25 going. And no cramp pay no ebeba no. Ebia wabobo mu besia ne ade
I just carry forward.
Nti no ansa na be so na ye bebisa wo se wo bebisa wo se karo se na no jibi to we na no ma me ne ba auto we so to we ye titi free ma nti be we ne bi aka be 50 cedis
Ene na part to
me part se wo bedidi ne de bia na obedi fried rice no ba ntumi bobo ska no kakra me de be supporting mommy rent ne ade na skit no so be remunity no excuse me
na obia o maame enim se me ba for joy de eja ope entertainment but on pe no ho asem na otene ba bia na wa blocking on WhatsApp na so akokonsafo nti wo hu se ne be na ashaka ne slate edigimi on social media that who for the first time na the reaction to say
hey afede ya baby eduru ni utumi she street ni kabanyina me so ye ya ade bi ye koya ade bi ma obi eno cramp me anhye ne bibili she ne ketu bi enko baby a me de ni asede ana ai maye tin afi bedu be me mutumi say hey de bia wokọ mkotwa video mkotwa mfa hwema tibu amia bia mesika bi eda ho mesi mekoye ma ye we o na me de aman se ne be ya
akoma beto
just calm down
and we na akoma beto ni e ka say
na akoma beto ni just calm down it come down to the level of the experience tina me 19 no na nye easy o na still na wana papa fle adwoa de obayi ni
wa from
de obayi osema ka bia wontie ene na o na me de bufu na mapie na me ko metena ho a kasa ne ba wan hwa the next na hwa na bibi die chire bebo me because on the okan ho anu atam bibi to ne ogeji so ebeba straight enya mo maso a
straight bullets
enya mo maso ba me de bekasa te ye ya na hwim me ko so nyame ncha de mbeshi abokoma no afei mo se kakra bibi ba mo wan se jiwe me kwa me se de menya ni afei de ono kra to me se
na wonko
kaba no me se we no nko me hwe video ba ko no mo se kaba na we na ye dada enti mo ba ko bu ahwe na kobo ho say eh
minie
wo so me ahwe ana asen so hwe pani so we ye me hwe we na sa o minimum watch na ko watch me beji wa be sa ya menti
o beji me o set one ma ba so beji o kaba
enti no me hwe we ya wa no afre no one onu adam from the casa no say na won sole me say eh mami as wo ya ma ho ayi nwa ko yentam be dasa ya fra wana
mami asesa ade na tene
table na tene atene akwesi be foforo tumo se nani abeje ho bebi kakra efri mu ba ntim won se nyenye ne bo ne kwan so na mum de me so de nyame de edue me mu no se me beji me nkira mansan tina mansan jimi na na me guso a me ne me nua abokoma ye jimi no ti ye jimi fo
na ada na wotete abokoma
onye o
wotete no
obi a wo maame edwa ba awale maame o ba awale wewu na maame betena awale na nti me na nka me maame eti awale ase nti me no mi no hwan na yesi odi fie mutumi so na no pele no ko wa beji fie na boso na me so ma be ka no hu fie o nti
na what dey
fire easy ohuri na me dey si
na no mu Dubai nsem ada na just be ka Dubai a wasuit
mama ni hunu
wa mani hunu yi na wonim se wo be ko Dubai no wo bo obi amane
oh mommy Dubai na ye ho advert be 4 months no oh my ye hu dede na me frefre na o kasa want to obi frame for advert kwa me so mama pacho o say that ben oh sorry pacho me to kwan me ko Dubai tina think say me free Dubai ba na say na be ya branding no na me nyame hu ni Dubai kakra me se me ko Dubai ti ya advert wow
no akodru airport na yes we take it eba na we take it my akopere airport
mami o man kan kire yen you know ye advert na day na yesen ke yen fan kono date ne pa ho so we like ade yen kwa na muso ye beko ticket ne beba munya abotre ticket no mo sen ne mai e wo phone so me ko bi dant na menim se ne yete I don't know say you printing it out and now say you sending as document na okwa wo de akokyerekere menim ti no mo sen ne e begu ye phone so and kra bi de baja bi first that was I think date in Africa baba it was Friday in Yako airport many abokuma and no more back with Jayakojina airport mame
Crofo goja
oh mame ade
bridge recover
no crew no yeah some support no for journey dekness abokuma ye kwaba the enije neighbor we call different level ntino on line no
and camera simoso
la wallahi dano so ye hwehwe nim say ye ko mo ko to ye say otina prema ye wo bibi wa ye de hye ye kon say na otina prema na wa relax say tina wo kon ni me hwehwe nim ko to bio every nim say be adru de Dubai a me to bi oh mam ko to bi Dubai ko to ntale emu ayi kimono ne he obi ni
ntini na boso
she mama ko ton ho traveling bag kra nyasam keto
na boso
na take it by you could airport Friday and you know what's our money boy 6 to 7 ticket money as my bag so by fee. You bedroom fee no. You be call one a call by say a humachen by 4 to 5 Yendru airport. Na you be call. No. They no crown who premise a man that dickness ne dem ho. But me de me bag is you. Na misika bishim. Not no is ana obi yi me kin ne baako. Ti misika na na ehim no.
Panafa.
It gone. Ti ekudru airport. Say be ya check-in ne o ma wrap bag in ho. Before that me ko check bag ni na me yi misika no dollars na sesa to cedis ni $2. Ti me boss search bag ni na sika no. The obre or the mama.
Why
Fanade? Tenono was the first intro no cry.
I said also who say a day in
it. Be a me to quine. Missy Kaila. And shaking me. Me they are going to Nana. So now I want to be in the plane. Cause my video snap near the identity. And no cry for David and Mesha. They are better internet. Hey, mommy. Take it. Abokuma hwe ne phone so ne take it aba. No akopente too much ahwe ne phone so take it aba. Akopente. Na me de we pacho me nya me de no. Bada ben. O nya abote my be 2 minutes. Eba. 2 minutes abetwam take it ama. Abokuma ye check in ewie too much ahwe ne de ewie. Kofo plane. So Abokuma said okan airport say if my ticket is not in then he's not going. And almost because of network being near the identity, me take it in a delay kakra intino omundi kind mail transit, which is Mefa Kenya.
Aba
Ako Ashiam, I will Dubai wantino omundi kind na me met one later. So then I have to wait to be trained. And I'm koye. Yabaya Pujaye, Yabaya so far. No so called the Crumantino, next one free airport to Antino. I come and one airport. And much better for now you could do on. Metna airport, I'm an abortion 9 to 10. And a job.
Hey,
yes. I take it in my. Me say, me friend be some say, time will call. Tino, moshene bia ene no emba so a.
O ma me nkwada.
I want to go home. So when you for your power chew, yesrel train ticket neighbor. Ticket neighbor. Ticket neighbor around 4. Check-in starts 5 o'clock. It was 4:30 something. I started calling these people. Ticket in my because I have seba. Me must have plenty or more there outside, so I have to get it fast and start doing whatever I want to do. Still not take it in by. So what am I doing now? My friend, my godmother be outside or me, you know. So I called them. Nam catch them. I say, "Mommy, my beka airport na take it in." No, I say, "Fa and call for na my head." Am I na yen friend? After more charge, my godmother's in 3,000. $3,500 instant or and son of mama take it. And I say, wow. Abokuma and take it. Too much and take it.
We take it na business and economy. How much 3,500?
Mama, may transit. To bones and mefa will go to La Paz. I don't know. Short. How much $3,500 instant. And I'm saying, so if you know, say, make sure Sikabia since morning, no, I bet na airport one. Mammy, who Ebiana can adofo be support me. Man can. Within some 30 minutes now, check-in on my view. Mean $250. Now, how sure can person me this ask and mama?
Meko.
Instant, Miss Abeka take it. Time Ben and book it, take it, mammy. The time Ben and may check-in. Time Ben. You people are not real. You are fake. Now, call baby ma, no for job. Pachon, yeah, you must have my bag is no coffee. Koda join.
Sana mo kan.
Yes. Almost me ko fi nkwa dan dwem. So mommy, na me bomani na enisuo. Cause na at that point na me nim dey meet me ayebiem. Cause na I think say everything was going to because my bumper na dey and the campus me gina airport na ko fo twa me pictures ni videos. You know for na okwan e for unua ne ko obekọ ho me say hi me beko me buso je fans Boam nti edu baby adesa no kwan bana metena ho baby na me de me bag na esi menim na me esi metrase me pinja me no bi ye video afi me bo mani ane nisuo cause na me kan so me ni sika bia wa me ho me de be fa car every airport akofi so I have to call my mom to come and pick me nti me pia bag no cry free inside was a babon na sa ufra buche ba kwanya ho na ofa wo baby ofa fa kum no nya ho na ya fa ba nti o do bag ni wura ho na wo san di pie no o be den like o kwan hey wow
enti enema mi no ida sa wa anko ana ya return
nti something like I'm a buffy so mama say ya omo ma won kwa bra pi ni yem ko me say mama eba omo say me ntwan kakra mama eba me say me ntwan kakra afi omo ka say me nko fie nkoda na me hu kwan a me fa so afre mama wa bonte aka chen say sisi an me bi edu no fia na ese yeko so the eba koso na pitrim na ese me soleba so me piano sa as a sedie kakra swag kakra boga as wanya boga bi boga airport so me boga na pem airport pe hey
to say na wanya adna
my bro
Bache, we are saying, Yami will remove ya. What's it? The money how? But Dubai don't have a copa.
Hey, me bon price, me da solena. Obi se for jo. Ye here wo hwe ye betna plane nim na.
Na
for ni ko shade. Go see something. Because abokuma ko buy me nyaso.
Wo nyaso. Oh,
Dubai na me
go Dubai. Na me go Dubai.
Akase ne Johnson Robert Johnson Dubai Johnson nasa. Because me need the one for Dubai Hama. The spray, the sapo, the brush, the ntale, the pamboa bibia. Sisi and the body na kasa ready na kasa ojina wona ye Dubai ready. Me no kase. Na kujo mi kushia kujo forest mi kushia say eh mama ma ya son kwadi di ai. Young Kwan put in the airport as I to be.
Now, me, I won't bring. Say, I'm come on there, the baby home. Now, Sunday, the baby here. Obey you can't back up, am I? Why?
Okay. We won't.
Be a
back up.
And I can't open me. Hey. Thank you for coming. You take home a standing fun. Pacho, I don't know they want show. Said what about when Said what about when what show what them
kakra.
Anyway there.
Wow.
Bye bye to a show.
Any me fear show me kun
High sense at aroma.
High sense madam master. Hey, afi meda.
Video gacho kona. Ye. Hey. Odofo bi so ya de fefefe bi abeche wo.
Hey.
And as I'm for your house,
me mama.
But you never waste away.
Anya be come inside if you are going.
And Pacho, Odofo so say emfa we encho.
Wow.
Na me kase nyame e wo emre emu bia simuate.
Boy na
and run anya.
ene dia yi apeke. Boy na no ko Dubai na wan ko.
Ha. Fajo ansa na ebeko no. Tasty Tom adaroma won. So there fried rice right.
Yeah.
Ntu de aduane no ano ya ade. Me be ma Tasty Tom. Na me be kan yesipen. Me kan bi ana wo tete. Dodo abeti bi ayo there. So mo
men tete ne ba ko ba.
tete na ba o tete ne tutu a disqualified.
Hey.
Je 1-1.
There be any man starting free yes. Yes sir.
Pressure boom. That's why ready. Are you ready?
Pacho me ba. Say I taste to me mama to me boss.
What you saying here?
Me fa taste.
Ready?
Sure.
On your mark. Set. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, cool. Bema. Now we do for one table.
Oh, can no.
Me can no.
Hey, now what's that? My dream what? Chassis.
Why do you go to Dubai?
Mama, Dubai nam the corner ya me there.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, when I say
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey,
5, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
When you're 10.
Sure. Also 10.
That's what 10. Why are they going to say, Mom? Tasty Tom, see, wait, you know, you're there. Papaya fried rice. Any tomato sauce.
We made the bed jollof.
We bed jollof.
Maybe will be kakra no what tasting is ano.
Okay, and then just how the seasoning powder.
One. The man
I complete.
Sure.
Now pick it. Into summary, you're down for be one or your partner.
Okay.
Just say, would you buy atete me? Atete one also.
Wow.
Atete what of be brave. Into no, would you buy no? Everybody so.
Amen.
Into your partner no. Yenene elguswa ye twetwem komo. Wo Dubai no. Ye fa hoka no akọ Dubai no bi wate.
Amen. What am I say?
Just say we the way nye travel when we are address.
Me go
Dubai.
Go Dubai.
Go Dubai. By kind courtesy restoration. Wate.
Thank you.
See ya down for no so ye day. So what was a man no e mobo. Sai na mu ye mienu na ba akwa na ba akwa. Nti ono so se obehwe na Dubai no.
Bacho oyoba na bema.
Bacho oyoba.
Mommy, me that's it. Nyamisha.
Your friend Auntie Cynthia.
Auntie Cynthia, God bless you so much. I really appreciate it.
The company no, Air Travel Light.
Travel Light, Ma Cynthia. Me that's it.
Oh, what am I?
Mommy, that's what
I'm
closer down.
Oh, don't closer down.
I'm closer down.
Say no. It's just we'll take it no, we'll visa no, we'll hotel no.
Free.
Which is what I forgot.
Mommy.
Say Abokuma was problem.
Huh?
Abokuma was big problem.
Ghana, huh? You people don't know. Ghana me koba.
And I watch the show go that.
Ego.
Pressure.
Kantino.
Anya
ka Ma Cynthia.
Your friend watch me.
Mo share de nyame be Ma Cynthia say mo share. Mama, you go see no code for Ghana inside. If I come back from Dubai. Mama, say me kwa me so to chandelier ni bi. Mama nyame shira Ma Cynthia.
Ah, odi be go ti.
Me de be pamatale. So
to our friends at Travel Lights, thank you very much, Mr. Cynthia Zobla. You and your team are always amazing. Thank you for giving him this wonderful surprise. That's on your base. Why we so careful. You be try to her. For their show. So a very big thank you to our sponsors, Malto Guinness, Tasty Tom, High Sense, Yaz Washing Powder, and Yaz Sanitary Pad, Hooch Corn and Choco Flakes. Thank you very much, La Palm Royal Beach Hotel, to our glam team, ABS Lux Line, Hair Duties, Stars Hair, Tinaj Beauty. All of you are simply amazing. Wherever you are watching us from, if I chop before you ask them, I say, Oko Dubai. Nti munko ni DM. Na mo ambe send no can say Zelle.
Entu kwan.
Ene hwan Momo. Ene hwan no. Mu ina mo fan socket no.
Yes.
Say Dubai no eba so. Always do remember you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. We'll see you next week.